And welcome back on this, what is today? Thursday morning parade day. That's right. We'll see you guys tonight out there at the parade. Starts at 6 o'clock. About 25 degrees out there this morning. 23 to 26 depending on where you are. High temperatures today only around 43. We will see some sunshine though. Maybe that'll make everyone smile. High temperatures tomorrow with some partly cloudy skies. 50. 37 for that low. It looks like Saturday is still the biggest day for rain. So keep an umbrella close. Miss Diane with me this morning. How are you?
I'm doing just fine.
Good. You know, Jamie just said, this is okay. He's like, he tells everybody, don't mess this up. And we're like, oh, it's her time. And you said, this is my third time. I'm a pro.
I can't believe it's been 3 years though, since I was here when we first opened.
It's been a long time. It has. But what's going on?
Well, we've had a great year. We've had a lot of classes, a lot of events at the Center for Lifelong Learning. We're looking forward to our coming year with our new catalog. It's out, ready. If you would like one, you just need to either go online,
swing by,
or call, or come by.
You've done a lot with that building too. Of course, the Boys and Girls Club used to be in the location that you are now.
Yes.
Of course, a long time ago. You guys have done some renovations, and it's just nice and cozy
It's
in there.
a great facility. People are now realizing that we have space to rent for their events. We have a huge space upstairs that will seat about 130, 150 for dinner.
Good.
And we've worked with the storytellers to have their dinners. We've had wedding receptions and dinners. We have had receptions down in the lobby area. It's a lovely place for that. And we have a great executive conference room that businesses who really want to get off their property and hold meetings there.
Do it there. And you're so easy to find, of course. They're downtown, right there on the square. You can't miss it.
We are.
So convenient. Well, what's the newest thing? What's going on tonight?
Well, we are ending up our year with the Community Chorus performing in their 4th concert.
Great.
It'll be a Christmas program. It was scheduled for tonight, so if you think that it's tonight and you're headed downtown and you can't get there, it's actually Sunday at 3 p.m.
They
in the
moved
ballroom.
it. Okay.
And so that's going to work out much better.
That is, because I know when the Christmas parade changed to Thursday night, I mean, that's a huge deal, and parking is, like you just said, you wouldn't be able to get there.
Right.
So.
And our director is from Birmingham, Dr. John Butler. Lynette Pope is assistant director, and she travels a distance. And we have our course members are from not just Athens, but the surrounding area.
Okay.
So it was a lot of work to get everybody organized and to get into the ballroom, but it all worked out great. And so we're looking forward to that. And they're working on a trip to Carnegie Hall in June. They've been invited to perform there.
Nice.
So,
About how many people participate in that?
we started out with, I think, 9 members. It wasn't a choir, it was more of an ensemble. And there's been a lot of interest. We're up to about 25 and 30 now.
Nice.
We still will have auditions in January, so it's not too late if you're interested in singing with a group and traveling to Carnegie Hall. It's going to be a great time.
It is. How much are tickets?
The tickets tonight are $5. And it will go toward the trip.
Okay. What all, you know, if people aren't familiar with the Learning Center, what type classes can people expect to see or be able to take?
We have had so many different classes offered, and we continue every semester or every season to offer different things. And we also repeat classes that are very popular. I think we started out our first class, I think you were going to have teach that or participate. I can't remember.
Yes, he tried. He thought he was going to.
And
yoga. And then there was a Facebook class he knew he had to get in on because he knows nothing about, or
I
was trying to
don't
learn
think he
iPad
attended that either.
Yeah, he didn't. He didn't. So him on Facebook would probably be dangerous, but.
But we have those types of classes. Our yoga class grew, and it really outgrew the building. So that's really what we want to happen. No, not that one. Not that one. But we have photography classes. We offer ACT prep for our students. That's something really big this coming year that we're pushing.
Good.
That's been.
And, I mean, there are different classes, such as anything from like
cake
decorating. I mean.
Art classes, music classes. We have violin classes for children, and those classes are full too right now.
Really?
One thing new that we've started is our academic traveler, and we're setting up trips throughout the year, day trips or longer trips. We had a group that we took to Nashville day before yesterday to see the lights. That was a full trip. We're also taking a group to Horseshoe Bend for the reenactment
Okay.
of the Civil War. We went to Chattanooga for that, and we also have a trip planned to New Orleans in May.
Fun.
So we're trying to get folks interested in that.
What are the, as far as times that the classes take place, in case anyone's not familiar with your schedules there?
They're all time. We open in the morning at 8 o'clock and we close at 4. Those are our regular hours, but we're open at night, we're open on Saturdays, even Sunday afternoons, whatever is going on whenever the class needs to be held. Also, we're not always on site. We do classes off site as well.
Good.
So if a business is needing some contract training, we will go to your site and provide that.
Oh, okay. I did not know that.
Yes.
Good. And of course, don't forget Athens State University has those online classes as well. You can check
sure
them out
do.
at their website. And Rick Mold is usually with us, and we'll probably see him again before Christmas. He's so fun.
Are you supposed to sing a Christmas carol for us today?
You're not
No.
going to get Diane to sing, I promise you.
Well, I left my husband at home. He's the one who sings with me. I back him up.
Oh, I don't know, but you're not going to get her to sing a song this morning. But you can contact them. What's the number there?
The number is 256-233-8260.
All right.
And we're on the website, athens.edu/CLL, or Center for Lifelong Learning. And this is our new catalog.
And don't forget, you can get those. I mean, they're free. You can go online. You can actually stop by the center and pick those brochures up and find out everything you guys have to
We're
offer.
also going to be doing
Catalog,
a series on our town, and we're bringing in city officials once a month, January through May, to talk about the different areas of what they do in their particular jobs.
Okay.
So it'll be an hour-long session, and we're going to have pie and coffee, and that'll be fun.
So if you're interested in politics, there you go.
That's right.
You may have a house full.
That's right.
I'd love to ask questions.
Thanks for
All right,
letting me
thank you for
share
being
this.
with us, Diane. You're welcome. Good to see you, Diane. All right, well, we are going to take a quick break. When we get back, Jamie's time. We'll be right back.
Happy holidays! Amen! Ha ha ha!